Hey everyone, today I'll show you how I made this Bluetooth speaker using some simple components and a bit of creativity. To start, I used a plastic pipe as the main body. I cut it according to my design and then used a heat gun to shape it into a flat sheet. This sheet helped me form the perfect body structure for the speaker. I carefully cut out a few pieces according to the size I needed, and then joined them together using instant glue to form the main body. Bit by bit, the structure started taking shape and it was really satisfying to see it come alive. You can also give your design a personal touch, maybe paint it, add a textured finish, or even 3D print the entire enclosure for a sleek professional look. Once the body is completely ready and smooth, now let's move on to the main connections. First, I've used a battery that will power Bluetooth speaker. Next, I've connected the battery to the charging module. The process is very simple. Just follow the same connection pattern that I'm showing here. Make sure the polarity is correct, otherwise your circuit might not work properly. After that, I've added a power switch. I've completed its wiring as well. Now I'm using a 5 volts amplifier board module, which is the heart of this speaker. This small circuit board amplifies the audio signal and drives the speakers with clear, loud sound. So it's important to follow the wiring carefully. Next, I've taken a Bluetooth audio receiver module. This is what allows the speaker to connect wirelessly to our phone or any Bluetooth device. I've completed its wiring with the amplifier module and made sure to solder all the joints properly so that no wire comes loose during use. Now that all the connections are done, you can see everything looks clean and well organized. Finally, I've started fitting all the components inside the speaker body. To keep them securely in place, I used instant glue so that no component moves or vibrates while the speaker is running. Now that all our electronic components are ready, it's time to fit everything neatly inside the speaker body. I've carefully placed each part into position and used instant glue to hold them securely in place. I moved on to complete a few basic wire connections inside the enclosure. After fixing the parts, everything is properly aligned so that no component moves or vibrates when the speaker is running. I used a specially cut sheet to make sure the speakers fit perfectly and remain firmly attached to the body. To make the design look even more professional, I decided to add a transparent acrylic cover glass on the front. Our Bluetooth speaker was finally ready for testing, but before that I connected it to the charger, and as you can see, the charging indicator light turned on. I powered it on.
Welcome to the world of PickPack.
And it made that satisfying startup sound from the inside.
Connected.
And it successfully paired. I played some music, and the sound quality was truly amazing. The speaker produced clear highs, deep bass, and a smooth overall tone. No noise, no distortion, just clean and powerful audio. Honestly, I'm really proud of how this project turned out. If you like this DIY Bluetooth speaker, let me know in the comments. That's all for today's video. See you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye-bye.